Dear students, good morning. Yesterday we studied classification of halogen derivatives. Three types classification. Second, compounds containing sp3CX bond. Okay. First, alkyl halide and second, allylic halide. B. Allylic halide. Allylic halide. Okay. Allylic halide. Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. Allylic halide, for example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl, CH2 Cl. Okay. Hybridization on this carbon atom sp3. Number of sigma bond 4, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bond. Okay. Definition of allylic halide. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. Simple name of this compound allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Okay. IUPAC name numbering 1A, 2, 3. 3 chloro prop 1 ene. 3 chloro prop 1 e. Okay. Second example of allylic halide is double bond Cl. Cl is a halogen atom. Cl is bonded to sp3 hybridization carbon atom. Number of sigma bond on this carbon atom 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. sp3 hybridization. Okay. In these compound, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 chloro, 3 chloro, 3 chloro, 3 chloro, cyclo, 3 chloro, cyclo, hex 1 e. Okay. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. Third, benzelic halide. Benzelic halide. C. Benzelic halide. Benzelic halide. Okay. Benzelic halide. Okay. Benzelic halide, for example, CH2 Cl. Cl is a halogen atom. Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. Hybridization on this carbon atom sp3. Number of sigma bond on this carbon atom 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bond hybridization sp3. Okay. Definition of benzelic halide. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to aromatic ring. Next to aromatic ring. Simple name benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Okay. IUPAC name 1 chloro 1 phenyl methyl 1 क्लोरो, 1 क्लोरो, 1 फेनिल, 1 क्लोरो, 1 फेनिल मेथेन, मेथेन. Okay. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to aromatic ring. Okay. Third classification is third classification. Third classification, compounds containing sp2, compounds containing sp2CX bond. It means halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. On the basis of compounds containing sp2CX bond, two types. Okay. First, vinylic halide, vinylic halide. For example, CH2 double bond CH Cl. Cl is halogen atom. Halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridization carbon atom, sp2, because number of sigma bond 1 2 3 sigma bond sp2 hybridization. Simple name vinyl chloride, okay, simple name vinyl chloride. IUPAC name 1 2 1 chloroethene, 1 chloroethene. Okay. Definition of vinylic halide. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. Vinyl chloride, IUPAC name is chloroethene. Next example is Cl. Cl is halogen atom. Cl is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. IUPAC name 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 chloro cyclohexane 1 1 chloro 1 chloro 1 chloro cyclo 1 chloro cyclohexane 1 E. Okay. 1 chloro cyclohexane 1 E. Second, aryl halide. Second is aryl halide. Aryl halide. B. Aryl halide. Aryl halide. Hello aryl. For example, aromatic ring. Cl. Cl is halogen atom. Halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. On this carbon atom, hybridization is sp2. Number of sigma bond 1 2 3. 3 sigma bond hybridization sp2. Definition of aryl halide. In these compounds, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. It means halogen atom is directly bonded to aromatic ring. Name chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Okay. So classification of halogen derivatives completes. Next topic, monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives. Next topic, monohalogen derivatives. First point, yeah, haloalkane. Haloalkane. Monohalogen derivatives. It means replacement of one hydrogen atom of saturated hydrocarbon by one halogen atom. Monohalogen derivatives. Replacement of one hydrogen atom by one halogen atom. Okay. haloalkane में first point nomenclature. Okay. Nomenclature, two types, simple name and IUPAC name. Simple name is alkyl halide and IUPAC name is haloalkane. Simple name alkyl halide. Okay. IUPAC name haloalkane. IUPAC haloalkane. Okay. Examples by table. Serial number. Examples. Simple name and IUPAC name. Okay. First, CH3Cl. Simple name methyl chloride. Alkyl halides. Alk means number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom in this compounds 1. तो methyl chloride. Okay. Methyl chloride. Okay. Chloromethane. ठीक. Okay. Chloromethane. Second is CH3 CH2Cl. ethyl chloride. Chloroethane. Third, CH3 CH2Cl. N-propyl chloride. IUPAC name 1-chloropropane. 1 2 3. 1-chloropropane. And fourth, CH3 CH Cl CH3 isopropyl chloride, simple name isopropyl chloride, isopropyl chloride. Okay, isopropyl chloride 1 2 3. IUPAC name 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane. Okay, isopropyl chloride is a secondary alkyl halide. Next example, number 5 CH3 CH2 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 Cl, simple name 1 2 3 4 N-butyl chloride, N-butyl chloride, N-butyl chloride. IUPAC name 1 2 3 4 1-chlorobutane, 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 1-chlorobutane. Number 6 CH3 CH Cl CH2 CH3. Okay, simple name secondary butyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride. IUPAC name 1 2 3 4 2-chlorobutane, 2-chlorobutane. Okay, 2-chlorobutane. 7 example, CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, प्रीफिक्स आइसो लगेगा इसमें, आइसो ब्यूटिल क्लोराइड 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड है, आइसो ब्यूटिल क्लोराइड, आइसो ब्यूटिल क्लोराइड. ओके, 1 2 3 आइसो प्रीफिक्स आइसो ब्यूटिल क्लोराइड. ओके, IUPAC नेम 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, 1-chloro 2-methyl propane. Okay, number 8 CH3 C CH3 Cl CH3. Number of carbon atom 1 2 3 4 4 carbon atom. Tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, IUPAC name 1 2 3 2-chloro 2-methyl propane, 2-chloro 2-methyl 2-chloro 2-methyl propane.